Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be telling you how you can actually install the different launchers in the POCO X3 device. So this is a question which was asked by one of the subscriber that how to set the different launchers as a default launcher in the POCO X3 device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the POCO X3 smartphone, and right now I'm using the Windows 10 launcher as well. It was by default it's there. So even if I press the home button, it doesn't change. As you can see friends clearly, I'm pressing the home button and the launcher is still here. And this was a question, even most of the users, they do have this kind of problem as well in terms of setting the default launcher application. And in this video I'll try to describe you how to do that. And in case if you want to know what is this hacking type or launcher which looks amazing as well, try to check the links in description. So there will be a lot of videos which I uploaded recently as well, so you can go through my recently uploaded videos and you can find that kind of link in the below as well. And let's get started friends with this review how to set the default launcher in the POCO X3 device. So first thing is that as soon as you install any third-party launchers, so just go to the settings application, and once you're in the settings, and tap the apps as well, as you can see here. And in case if you want to know more details about this POCO X3 device, I try to check my more than 200 videos which I uploaded on the POCO X3 for more details. And once you are in this apps section, so now you need to go to this manage apps, as you can see friends. So once you are in this manage apps section, try to tap this three dots here, as you can see, which is on the top, and now you will be entering into the default apps location, so where you can select all the list of applications and you can change the default application as well. So for example, if you install any other dialer application, so you can set that dialer as a default one. Same thing with the browsing as well, so you can choose the Google Chrome as a default browser. So whenever you get any link messages in the normal messages, if you click that link, it will directly open in the Google Chrome only. So now this video is about the launcher, so let me show you the launcher. So once you select this launcher, so try to select any of the launcher which you want to set as a default. So right now let me try to select the iOS launcher as a default one. As you can see right now, I did install this iOS launcher and I did so many videos on this iOS launcher as well, so which is working pretty amazingly fine in this POCO X3 device without any issues. Overall, as you can see friends, right now this is a iOS launcher which is default right now. Even if I press home button, it doesn't change anywhere. So it's good to know that how you can put the default launcher in the POCO X3 device. So try to follow these exact steps and it should not be that much big deal at all. And in case if you want to know Windows 10 and this iPhone launcher and this hacking launcher, try to check the links in description for more details about these launchers what I'm using in this video. And that's it for this video friends. For more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.